Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic marshmallows. First, gather all your high-quality organic ingredients. You will need 2 1/2 cups of organic cane sugar, 1 cup of organic light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of cold water. Also, have ready 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of sea salt. These foundational elements are crucial for achieving that perfect, fluffy texture. Now, let's create the sweet syrup base. Begin by blooming your 3 tablespoons of gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water in the bowl of your stand mixer. In a separate heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 1/2 cups of organic cane sugar, 1 cup of organic light corn syrup, and another 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then stop stirring and let it reach exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. With your hot syrup ready, carefully pour it into the bloomed gelatin mixture in your stand mixer. Begin whipping on low speed, gradually increasing to high. Continue whipping for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The mixture will transform, becoming incredibly thick, bright white, and beautifully glossy. It should also triple in volume and hold stiff peaks, indicating it's perfectly aerated and ready for the next step. To finish, generously dust a 9 by 13-inch pan with a mixture of 1/2 cup organic powdered sugar and 1/4 cup organic cornstarch. Pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Allow it to set undisturbed at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once firm, invert onto a dusted surface, cut into squares or shapes, and thoroughly coat all sides with the remaining dusting powder. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.